Hi, I'm Rao Mulpuri. Over the last 12 years, my amazing colleagues and I have been building View with two main objectives: solving climate change and improving human health, two of the biggest challenges and opportunities of our times. Now let's talk about the window. As humans, we are an outdoor species. Glass is a magical material, and we are lucky to have discovered it. It is a wall you can see through. It keeps us protected, yet gives us a connection to the outside. Who would have thought that the window could be improved? I am very excited to present to you the View story. Most people don't know that the words smart and window can go together. So what is a smart window?
All too often, the human experience within a building is an afterthought, as most windows let light in without controlling heat and glare. So beautiful buildings are redecorated from the inside out, with blinds to block the sun. There is a better way. View Smart Glass brings the outside in, intelligently controlling natural light without blinds or shades, enhancing mental and physical well-being. It's regular glass with a series of thin nanocoatings that react to a small electrical charge, creating different levels of tint. View Smart Glass is part of an intelligent, predictive system that looks at a building holistically, using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. View Intelligence takes the building's orientation, surrounding obstructions, and the arc of the sun to seamlessly optimize the amount of natural light available throughout the day. We factor in seating arrangements and the distance of people to the windows, integrating seamlessly with lighting and cooling systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. We also keep an eye on your local weather. All this data helps create the world's most intelligent windows.
Beyond the smart tinting window, as we think about our innovation and our journey forward, we saw an opportunity to take our product and turn it into more of a platform on which a number of different applications can be built. Our product is a digital skin to the building. The skin is the largest organ in the building, much like the skin is the largest organ in our bodies. That skin has power, high-speed data, and computing all built into it. On top of that, we're building an operating system that's a digital twin to the building, that's highly secure, has AI and ML engines built into it. And with these platforms, we're able to build a number of applications that are going to transform the way we live and work in the future. Because we have a highly connected system, we're able to bring a whole host of smart building applications. For example, this video you're watching is coming to you through the View Smart Display, which is a high-definition display installed right into the window. Also on this platform, we have a sensor array that has a number of environmental sensors, and these can be used in order to control the environment precisely for the health and wellness of the people. These new applications transform buildings into living spaces that help us engage, interact, and communicate with each other. The buildings will be transformed into high-speed 5G cell towers with complete wireless coverage. Now that the blinds are lifted, these humanized spaces will keep us entertained while keeping us connected to natural light and views of the outdoors. At View, we obsess over delighting our customers. Our customers just simply love the product, and once they experience it, they cannot imagine living without it.
We look at this from a perspective of people, planet, profit. When we look at tools and technologies that can do all three, that's a win for airports. Dynamic glass really fit that bill.
The worst thing you could possibly have is to be cooped up in an interior office with no windows or light from the outside.
View removes all of that barrier and allows you to really enjoy the natural setting that the building is set in.
I feel connected. I never feel disconnected from nature.
There's no better glass to put in your building if you are truly sincere about taking care of your employees.
This is a great product for stadiums, but this is a great product to allow the world to be more sustainable.
It helps us create an environment that is warm, friendly, an environment that people can be very productive in.
With View as a partner, Civica Cherry Creek has achieved the highest weighted average rental rates of any office building in the city of Denver. Once you have View Glass, you will never go back to a traditional office building.
We'll never build another building without this glass.
All of that magic happens in a 1 micrometer thick coating. That's 1/100th of the thickness of human hair. So how do we do this? The electrochromic technology has been a thing of science fiction for a long time. 12 years ago, we started this journey in this very lab with the goal of creating what we call a complete product. A complete product is one that checks all the boxes, redefines an industry, and makes it mainstream. From the beginning, instead of saying, let's take this technology we have and adapt it to the world, we looked at the needs of the user and worked backwards, iterating our technology all along the way. We made sure the materials we selected were fundamentally highly durable so that they last the lifetime of a window. Many of the electrochromic technologies use organic materials that are easier to engineer, but they degrade with exposure to heat and UV, just like our bodies and plants. And they are a non-starter for a building window application. We took the much harder path of building a fully inorganic, solid-state material system. First, we focused on the performance of the product by way of aesthetics and size. Second, we obsessed over the user experience, how the person sitting beside the window interacts with it and what their experience is like. Finally, we knew that in order for this product to scale, we needed to make it easy to install for the construction trades at job sites. We launched the company with a minimum viable product in 2012 and continued to perfect it to reach our 4th generation product this year. What we make is really cool, but how we make it is equally amazing. Let me take you behind the scenes and give you a glimpse into our manufacturing facility.
Welcome to View's Olive Branch manufacturing facility. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at how the product is created.
Hello, I'm Howard Lutnick, the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Cantor Fitzgerald. I'm also the Chairman of the Newmark Group, one of the largest and most successful commercial real estate brokerage companies in the United States of America. And together, we are delighted to introduce you to View and its dynamic glass product. Newmark is so excited to help View introduce its glass to the landlords and owners of commercial real estate buildings around the United States and around the world. And we're going to do that by partnering and what we call co-brokering with all the other large commercial real estate companies across the United States to have them learn about View Glass, introduce View Glass to their relationships, and together we will coast to coast cover the commercial real estate landscape with better glass. It's going to change the market for glass, much the same way that air conditioning was once upon a time 50 years ago a new thing. Dynamic glass will be the thing that is common in commercial real estate buildings going forward. And I am just so excited to be associated with it.
And we're just getting started.